Okay, so this is a jigsaw cutter machines from the brand Ingco with features like 5 variable speeds up to 3000 rpm, 570 watt copper motor, generates strong power and up to 3000 rpm cutting speed for high working efficiency. Okay, so let's unbox it. Controls like pendulum control and 5 variable speeds control. The measurement tools to cut the straight lines and one carbon brush, and there are others 3 cutting blades available for wood cutting, as you can see. Multifunctions and tool-free blade, change equipped with 3 blades separately for cutting different materials, including wood, PVC, metal, gypsum, board, extra. And you can see it is very easy to fix the blade. The maximum cutting speed is wood is 65 mm and steel is 8 mm. Tool-free blade clamp allow for easy and quick blade changing. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also like. Really, the sound is so good, powerful. The design is very practical and totally safe designs. Scale ruler is designed for precise cutting, soft rubber, non-slip handles for more comfortable grip. And this is 5-switch dial, enable various cutting switches for different cutting needs. There is some information by the company, as you can see. It is come with 45-degree bevel cutting and 4 orbital settings. Adjustable bottom plate can tilt up to 45 degrees for bevel cutting needs. 4 positional orbital settings allow you to adopt the cutting machines to fit different types of hardened material. The higher gear is suitable for soft material and the faster cutting. Lower gear for hardened material and slower cuttings. Also, you can adjust the bottom plate to cut in various angles from 15 to 45 degrees as per your need. problem control with different settings. Okay, so now let's test it. Let's fix the speed at maximum. The cutting is very clean, very sharp. So now let's test it on plywood material. Very nice cut, clean, sharp. You can use this machines for various cuts, like from straight, round, and other cut as you want.